Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen, and on today's episode we'll be flying all the way to Italy and we'll be making, guess what, this delicious lasagna from the comfort of our home. So let's give it a taste test together. Definitely this is a must have segment. Okay, look at that. I think we already did with the cheese part, but okay, so this is how it looks. So let's taste it. And by the way, this is my first time tasting it. I've never tasted it before and my mouth is so watery. So the first step is we want to make our fillings. Heat up your oil and then add in the red onions, and guys, I've listed down below the ingredients on the description box, kindly check that out. So after sauteing your onions, add in the tomatoes and also our homemade tomato paste, and I'll be linking the video on the description on the screen, kindly go and watch it. So after that, we're also going to add in our grounded or minced beef, and then we add in our spices, paprika, ginger and garlic powder. And guys, look at that meat. It really looks delicious, right? Yes, but for the bones we're definitely we're going to omit them. Okay, so for now we're going to make the paste. For the paste, you add in margarine and some butter and 2 spoons of baking flour. Okay, yes, but if you don't have butter, you can just go in with margarine and oil. It just works the same. So take a whisk and ensure that you have such a consistency, and then you add your milk in bits. Okay, and for this cooking cream we are going to use 500 ml of milk, and then we're going to place in our lasagna sheets. Guys, please like this video, because hey, the type of energy I used to make those sheets, my god. Hey, but I don't even know what to say, but yeah, everything turned out so well. So you layer, guys, you see the way we've layered, and don't forget to even layer the way you've seen us layering our first part. That is what we must have. And then you also put in your cooking cream and also the cheese, of course, and then the lasagna sheets, the meat, and the last ingredient should be the cheese. And guys, look at that. After baking it for 20 minutes 180 degrees Celsius, look at our lasagna. Guys, this lasagna recipe, it's a 10 out of 10. By the way, this is something that I will definitely consider making it again, because this was my first time making it, and guys, it was so yummy. And I'll also pin the lasagna sheets recipe, because I also did it as a separate recipe. Thank you so much for being here. God bless you so much. Bye bye.